So what is the API? It's an application programming interface. Correct.
Yes.
Now, so if you will imagine of a web page, okay, how it looks. What are the components inside a web page? You can see. You can see
Totally
text,
UI based, right? I mean, isn't it?
images,
Yeah.
links. Correct. Links will come under, okay, and videos. So what do you think? What happens? Okay. So basically, you type in the browser. You went inside your browser in the URL bar. Okay. You type google.com. So now what happens?
I could see the Google.
Yeah, you can see the google.com, but what happens in the background?
Mm. Mm. In background,
Okay. So let's take the same example, okay, of forget about this. Okay. Suppose in your home, okay. So in your home, okay, biryani is going to be prepared, okay.
okay.
Chicken biryani, okay. For
Right.
chicken biryani, your mom asked you to, okay. Your mom said, what? Bring some
Chicken.
chicken and biryani masala. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So that chicken prepare. Now the second step will be like, okay, first of all, what you will see if there is any chicken in the home or the biryani masala is in the home or not. Okay, so check in the fridge if there is any chicken available. Cool.
Yeah.
That is the first step. Now, not this. Now, the following step will be like, if yes, give it to mom. Okay, give the chicken. Then, if no, okay, get it
So,
from market,
okay.
market or store. Okay. Now, suppose now this particular workflow come. Okay. Suppose this is what happens in your home. Okay. For example, inside home, this happen. Okay. Now, what happened is like in the market, these things happen. Okay. You go to the market. Correct. Okay.
Mm.
You went to the chicken shop. Okay. That is the first step. Second, ask for the chicken. Okay. Now, third step. Okay. Now, the shop owner. Okay. Prepare. Prepare means he cut the chicken, he wash the chicken, whatever size you ask. Okay. Okay. Then you bring back the chicken to home. correct?
Mm.
Now again home come into picture. Okay, now in home you gave the chicken to biryani masala remove करते हैं. Okay, home you gave the chicken to mom. Mom prepared the
Biryani.
chicken biryani. Okay, and you have the biryani. Okay,
Yeah.
now think in the similar fashion. Okay,
So yeah. So in Google,
okay,
we ask for something, it gets the data from the source and gives back to us.
okay. So now think of this. Okay, now your home is like your laptop.
Okay.
Okay, in the laptop, okay, you have a, so you want Google. Okay, cool. Now you have a browser, correct,
Yeah.
where the request is served. Okay, like open google.com, correct.
Mm.
That's the first step. Second, what the browser will do, like it will check for, browser will check for the cache in side browser. You know there is something called cache in browser, correct?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now if cache is there, okay, it will serve the request. Google is, don't take Google. Okay, I'm telling you about any random website where there is a little bit this that required. Okay,
Okay.
you will serve the request. Now if no, okay, yes means this, why it become this logic stuff. Okay, if now it request to server, correct.
Mm.
Okay, now just like here, when you will go to the market, you will have a list of item, correct.
Yeah.
Now here also you will have a request where what the things are there. Okay, in the request you might have the server details, data packet, everything. Okay, server detail, those things. Okay, now coming back to this server. Okay, now so your laptop is the client here. You got to know that, na? What is client?
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Okay, laptop is the client. Okay, now this is the server. Okay, Google server. You went to the Google server. Now what happens? Now the same thing. Okay, you went to the chicken server. Now your request reached to the server. Okay. Now what's next? Okay. And the server decode the request and understand it. Correct. I'm telling you the simple term, okay? Don't think like understand like under. There are a lot of stuff, okay? There is decoding. After decoding, you will get to know from which particular client it came, okay? It will have the client details, its request, okay? And if there is any API key or authorization, those things, okay? When I'm saying understanding means all those things come into that, okay?
Okay.
Now what? Okay, so it's survey request. Okay, when you say ask, like when you are saying chicken, the shop owner is understanding. Okay, he's asking for chicken. Okay, so and the quantity is also there. Correct.
Yes.
The similar thing, different stuff. How many? What so on? Okay, now what server does? Server prepare your request. Okay, request. When I'm saying prepare your request means like the application that you have requested for. Okay, so application will run. So when the application is running, what is happening? If there is any, okay, application, no, let's not go that. So it will do the workflow. Okay, if there is anything, my like DV connection is there, those things will do. Okay, now, okay, and it will after the application run successfully, okay, then it will send the response to the client. Okay, it's like you are bringing back the chicken.
Yes.
Okay, now server done. Okay, now again in home, so in the laptop and the client you can say. Okay, what happened like the browser decodes the or understand the response. Okay, then change it to the user understandable format. Mean that simple English. Okay.
Okay.
Then link to the user. Correct. You see the Google here. Okay.
Okay.
So now who is the API? Here you are the API who is going to the market. Okay. And
Okay.
here is the API who is working.
Here.
Got it.
Okay. 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 Got it. Got it. Got it.
So
The API serves between the client and server.
yes.
Okay.
Okay. Search. Dot coffee. What the heck is dot coffee?
Without API, it never works, right? Before API, how it was working? Do you know, have any idea?
Before API?
How was it working? I mean,
See, you understood this much, na?
yes, yes,
Now, okay. In a web page, what I are seeing, okay,
yes,
we came back to the same thing. These things, okay.
yes,
So, what do you think when you're seeing a web page, it's a HTML code, correct?
yes,
You know, it's a HTML code, and it has just tags and all. Okay,
yes.
HTML will have just tags
Yeah, attribute name, everything. Yeah.
and other stuff. Okay, Now this HTML page is mostly a placeholder. Folder of any data. Okay. So from where this particular data is coming from the server. Okay. Now who is responsible for all those data? Just I explained. Okay. That is the API. Okay. If you will okay, let me give some simple examples. Okay.
I could see only the white screen. Why?
White screen.
Yes.
Okay, because I'm doing something else in somewhere else. Okay. No, these things are junk. Okay. So have you ever done see the browser networks that I show you, na? In the networks tab browser, if you will see something, you can see. Okay, let me switch the screen. Stop sharing. Screen window. Okay, you can see, na?
Yes.
Let's suppose take example of google.com. So here I am searching Bairagi, correct? I hit enter. So you saw there are a lot of data that is coming, correct?
Yes. Yes.
This particular thing, na? Okay, if you'll go to the response, see it's like these all are APIs. Okay, these all are responsible for whatever things you are seeing here. Okay.
Okay.
If you'll take example of a simple website, give me a simple website, Selenium practice. Let's take example of GitHub. Okay, let's clear this and open main.py. Response. Yeah, this is the API you can see, na? Okay, this
Yep.
showing. So if I'll do this, copy, I'll have a curl. Okay, I don't know if it will work or not. See, this is a API. Okay, color API. See, it's a curl. Okay, this is a curl. Everything is getting hit by a curl only. Okay, see. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's take a simple API so that you can understand. This only. Okay, copy. Yes, curl. Now see, okay, this is a simple API. If I'm hitting this one, there is no response of this because that is coming as a picture. Okay, so I'm just giving an example. Okay, this is not the actual API. So whatever you're seeing here or anywhere, okay, that is a API that is getting called. Okay, so
Okay.
web page is just like it's a, what I can say, it's a placeholder. Okay,
Okay.
so now you got the answer of your question.
Yes, correct. Yes.
Okay, so API is responsible for the data we are
Getting.
seeing on the
See.
web page. Okay,
Mhm.
sure, nice.
It applies for all the web pages, right? This is what
Yeah,
happens.
it applies on all the web pages.
Okay.
Everything.